I have two classes this semester, an Introduction to Archaeology class and an Introduction to Anthropology class. I decided to go ahead and make some excavation grids, and then they could learn at least how to map and collect the artifacts. And this actual project is a step away from some actual work that I did in Central America. The really fun part of it for them is they see where the entire semester now fits into something that they did.
This is physical anthropology, and what we're doing today is an analysis on forensics. So what we're looking at is bones and whether or not they're male or female, how tall were they, whether or not there's any kind of trauma on the bones. What it started with is that Dr. Bruchez was doing a mock archaeological excavation. And she approached me about a year ago and she said, hey, how about if we do this, as a compilation? I said, this is fabulous. And so this actually opens up the door to them to say, this is what science is. And it's not just biology, it's not just chemistry, it's not just physics. There's this other stuff out there that you can do that's just as scientific, and it's very interesting and engaging.
Anthropology as a whole is a very interesting field, and I recommend taking a course in it just to understand the history of humans and your place in the world, and it's not a course you've taken before.
I'll be the first to say science is not my best subject. I'm a lot more hands-on, and this is incredibly amazing because everything that we do is hands-on. Everything, you get to physically touch the skulls, and it's easier to learn all of this when you're actually holding this stuff in your hands and working with it on a table versus reading about it in a book or talking about it in a lecture. And I love my professor, I love my class. We're all close because we all do a lot of these assignments where we're all kind of working together. I came into this class expecting to learn. I didn't expect to fall in love with it, and I did fall in love with it and everything about it.